I now call Dr. Nallabothala Sai Kiran to share his experiences.
Respected dignitaries on the stage, all the parents here, my dear juniors, and my dearest friends. Good evening, one and all. It's been a great honor for me to be here as a part of this auspicious occasion. And I am privileged to speak on behalf of our class. This is the day we all have been waiting for, and the day is finally ours. And if I am not wrong, I think we are the only batch in the history of Siddhartha Medical College who are celebrating this day after 1.5 years of completion of our internship. And the only reason behind this is COVID pandemic, which has caused a great havoc to human life. And I thank all the doctors, nurses, and entire medical fraternity, along with the police department, who has worked as frontline warriors in this crisis. And also my deepest condolences to all those families who lost their loved ones. Getting back into our graduation day, I congratulate all the Trojans of 2014. Finally, we have done it. Few days back, when my friend me texted of how about the speech, I replied him, okay. But later on, I was confused where to start the speech from. Because later I felt it was quite confusing where to start this speech from. Because it's quite challenging to summarize the experience of all these years in just few minutes. But I will give it my best. So it comes down to this. The MBBS has been a dream for most of us, even it really began. A dream that we all lived through. And today we stand here, inspired, awakened, and only to dream bigger. And today I really believe that I have done it. On this behalf, I would like to thank my parents for their unconditional love and constant support throughout this journey. This would not have been possible without them. Thank you, Mummy. Thank you, Daddy. I would also convey my gratitude to all my professors who made us real doctors of the society. And so I guess all those lessons which we learned in classrooms and in our clinical postings were not just the lessons on medicine, but they are in fact the lessons of life which will take us with us forever. And this experience would not have been complete without you people. You guys are really amazing. The depth of knowledge and experience that we shared together, our college life, exam stress, night outs, our chit chats, especially our mini milcha game in our classroom, which we used to play in the last benches, our pulse tour, our intermedics, our cricket ground. And on this behalf, I would like to thank our PD sir because he kept constantly motivating us in all our physical activities. All those are priceless and unforgettable. We all have created a bond. We all have created a bond of friendship, a bond of gratitude. No matter what the field you choose, I wish you all the best for your upcoming bright future. And finally, a heartfelt thank you to all the families who are here and also to those families who are not able to come. Thanking you for believing in us and allowing us to live our dream. And my best wishes to all my juniors and my friends who are not able to come here, but I hope that their hearts are still among us. With this, I conclude with a quote. Have a courage to follow your heart and intuition because they somehow know what you really want to become. And I conclude, this is Dr. Sai Kiran Nallabothala, a student of Siddhartha Medical College of batch 2014, signing off. Thank you.
Thank you, graduate.